To create an automated series using Ask Alvin, just go to the Campaign tab and then click Automated Series right here. Then just click Create New Automated Series, unless you already have one, in which case you can just click it up here. Now here you can choose from two options. You can choose to start the series when a contact subscribes to a list or submits a form. We'll say subscribes to a list for this one. And then we can choose the list that they subscribe to. Then we just click OK. Here you can start adding actions. We'll start by sending an email. Here we'll just send a welcome email. We can create a new email here. Welcome. Now you can choose your design. And you can modify this however you want. And then just click Next. And then just click Finish. Now we can see the automated series so far starts off when someone subscribes to the list, and then it sends them a welcome email. And you can preview the email right here. Now we want to add another action. Here we want to do an if-else. So now we can ask a question, and we're going to go to Actions and say, has the user opened the campaign? And we're going to choose the welcome campaign and say OK. If the user has opened the campaign, then what we're going to do is we're going to subscribe them to the list. And here we choose our weekly newsletter and click Save. If they haven't, we're going to wait. And here we're going to wait for 1 week, and we'll save that. And if they haven't opened the email after 1 week, we're just going to end the series. Now we'll have a week for it to wait for them to click yes to open the email, and then it'll subscribe them, and then we want to end the series here as well. Now we probably don't want to send the email directly after they subscribe. We want to give them maybe an hour. So we'll click here and we'll choose an hour, and then we'll hit Save. So our series right now is a contact subscribes to the list. Our series will wait 1 hour, and then it will send them a welcome email. If they don't open it within 1 week, then it'll end the series. And if they do open it, then it'll subscribe them to the list and then end the series. Now, there are a lot of other actions that we can do. So if we just click here, we can see our list. Sending an email, of course, sends an email. You can wait a certain amount of time. You can subscribe the contact to a list or unsubscribe them from a list. You can ask questions. These can range from anything like checking whether they've opened the email to checking where they live. Some other actions are update contact. Here you can change information about your contact. Here you can add tags. You can also check tags using an if and else action. You can also remove tags from a contact, add a note to a contact, send a SMS message directly to the contact's phone. You can notify an email address directly using Notify Someone. Here you can see we can send a message to any email address we like. We can also start another automated series. We can end the series. We can end another automated series, or we can post data to a URL. Here you can choose the URL that the automated series will automatically post to. This will post the contact information directly to that website. Here we're getting a warning that says we should specify the amount of time to wait, and we're doing that down here. We can also move this up here if we like, but then it won't subscribe them to the newsletter immediately. As you can see, this can be a very powerful tool. That's about all there is to it.